is simple interest? Simple interest is a quick and easy way to calculate a loan's interest charge. Simple interest is calculated by multiplying the daily interest rate by the principal multiplied by the number of days between payments. This type of interest is typically applied to auto loans or short-term loans, though it is used in some mortgages. In today's video, we're talking about simple interest and how to calculate it. So, let's start with it. Understanding simple interest. The cost of borrowing money is expressed as interest. However, it is typically expressed as a percentage. It amounts to a fee or extra fee paid by the borrower to the lender for the finance amount. When you make a payment on a simple interest loan, the money first goes towards the interest for that month, and the rest goes towards the principal. The interest is paid in full each month, so it never accumulates. On the other hand, compound interest adds some of the monthly interest back onto the loan. Each month, you pay new interest on old interest. Consider a car loan with a $15,000 principal balance and a simple interest rate of 5% per year to understand how simple interest works. For example, suppose your payment is due on May 1st and you pay it on time. In that case, the finance company calculates your interest for April. In this scenario, your interest for 30 days is $61.64. However, suppose you pay on April 21st. In that case, the finance company will only charge you interest for 20 days in April, reducing your interest payments to $41.09, a $20 saving. Simple interest is calculated as principal interest rate loan term. Simple interest calculations are rarely used in loans, but they are used in auto and short-term personal loans. This calculation is also used by a few mortgages, most notably the bi-weekly mortgage. Paying the interest more frequently accelerates the payoff date, which is why the bi-weekly mortgage helps borrower pay off their homes faster. With simple interest loans, the lender first applies the payment to the interest for the month. The remainder of the payment is applied to the principal. The borrower pays the total interest each month, so it never accumulates. If she pays her loan late, she will have to pay more money to cover the additional interest while keeping the loan's payoff date. On the other hand, compound interest adds a portion of the old interest to the loan. The lender then computes new interest based on the borrower's previous interest payments. Simple interest versus compound interest. Simple interest is simpler to calculate and understand than compound interest. For example, suppose you have a short-term loan or one with non-compounding interest. In that case, you'll only have to worry about interest added to the understanding principal balance. For example, simple interest accrues but does not compound on mortgages and most car loans. In investing, compound interest is preferable because it allows funds to grow faster than they would in a simple interest account. Therefore, compound interest is taken into account when calculating the annual percentage yield. The annual rate of return is also known as the annual cost of borrowing money. So, that was all with today's video. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more uploads like this.